Hey guys, Antonio from Howlin' Hammer. Occasionally, I like to discuss tools every once in a while. Tools that a lot of you DIYers are going to need to use every day. Come here, boy. Fabio, come here, come here. Um, my main tool in my truck is a DeWalt lithium ion cordless drill. It's a ratchet 1/4 inch drill, and it's really small, and it is great for DIY projects. Um, YOB makes one that is a lower budget friendly drill, so it's more affordable. Under $100, you can get the whole kit, the battery, you can get the bag, the charger, and it's a great item. It'll last you years. I use a DeWalt because of the type of business that I do, and every day, I'm using these tools. I beat the heck out of them, so they get a lot of use. But the Ryobi I had used when I first started my business, and I used that for several years, and then I just decided to upgrade to something, that's a little bit more beefier and that'll last a little longer for my company. So if you're looking to get a drill, I would definitely recommend the YOB for the DIY projects. Um, Cordless, lithium ion, 20 volt, and get yourself an extra battery for a backup in case one of them does go bad by the time you're done with your project. So anyway, we're going to wrap it up today because these guys are getting a little hot out here. We're in the park. We just had a great day at work, and we're going to call it a day. But thanks for following us, and thumbs up to you guys.